Hi students, good morning. The continuation part of area of under curves. Previous class we have discussed the area bounded by either cos x curve or sin x with x-axis above the x-axis or below the x-axis. How much it occupied the area? 2 units. Next. The area bounded by the parabola y square equal to 4x, y square equal to 4x and its lattice rectum, Option 1 8 by 3, option 2 3 by 8, option 3 12, option 4 1 by 3. This is the y square equal to 4x. Y square equal to 4x. Lattice rectum here, focus A for x, A is 1 comma 0. This is length of lattice rectum, this is okay. X is equal to 1 is the lattice rectum, here x is equal to 0. So this area we should find. So this and this both are same, so multiply by 2 and find this area. It's bounded by 0 to 1 small strip y dx. So 2 into integration of 0 to 1 y is equal to root x. 2 into 2 4 root x integration x power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 2 by 3. Limits 0 to 1. 4 into x is equal to 1 2 by 3. The answer is 8 by 3. Next, 22 question number. The area bounded by the curve x is equal to 4 minus y square and the y-axis. When given y-axis, okay, put x is equal to 0. You will get the y limits. Okay, put x is equal to 0. If given with x-axis, then put y is equal to 0. With y-axis means put x is equal to 0. 4 minus y square equal to 0. Y is equal plus or minus 2. So we should draw the diagram here. Y is equal minus 2 here and y is equal to 2. In between draw the diagram here. If you put x, y is equal to x is 0. Understood? Here 0. Minus 12 0. In between take any one number 1. 4 minus 1 3 here. This side. Okay. So this area same here. So to get this area, to get the whole area, find this area first and multiply by 2 will get the whole area. So the required area equal to 2 times of integration of this area. It is bounded by y is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0 to 2. Yes, it with respect of y axis, so x dy. So 2 into integration of 0 to 2, tell me x is equal to, this is 4 minus y square dy. 4 minus y square dy. 2 into 4 integration 4y minus y square integration y cube by 3. Limits 0 to 2. 2 into 4 into 2 8 minus 8 by 3. Lower limit is 0. 2 into 8 take common, 1 minus 1 by 3 2 by 3. So answer is 16 into 2 32 by 3 square units. Next one, 23rd. The area bounded by the curve, x is equal to a into 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square, y is equal to 2at by 1 plus t square. Then what is the option here? A, pi a square by 2. Second option, pi a square. Third option, pi a square by 4. Fourth option, 3 pi a square by 2. This is here. First we have to eliminate this. We have to make the here parametric equation is given. So we have to find the curve here. X is equal to a1 minus t square by 1 plus t square. Let t is equal to, now I am taking sine tan theta. Tan theta. X is equal to a, if it t is tan theta, 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta, cos 2 theta. Similarly here, y is equal to a, let it be 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta equal to sine 2 theta, right? X by a equal to cos 2 theta, y by a equal to sine 2 theta. Sum of the squares on both sides, sine square 2 theta plus cos square 2 theta equal to 1. Then x by a whole square plus y by a whole square equal to 1. X square plus y square equal to a square, which is represent circle. So eliminated parametric equation. What is the area of circle is pi r squared, pi a square. This is. Next, 24. The area bounded by the curve y is equal to x square by 2 and the lines x equal 0, x equal to, y is equal to 0. X equal 0 is y axis, y equal 0 is x axis. X axis, y is equal 0. This is y axis, x is equal 0. And x equal to here 0, 1, 2, x is equal to. Okay. 0 if you take here, 0 here. 2 if you take 4 by 2 means 2, y is equal to 2. Okay, 1 if you take 1 by 2 here, this is. So this area we should find. Okay, so to find this area, integration limits tell me 0 to 2. 0 to 2 y dx, y is x square by 2 dx. So x 1 by 2, x square integration x cube by 3, limits to apply upper limit minus lower limit. Next question is, the area bounded by the curve y is equal to x minus 4 into x minus 1 and the x axis. Okay, area bounded by the curve with x axis. Okay, we want to find limits. So with x axis means put y is equal to 0. If it is 0, x minus 4 into x minus 1 equal to 0, x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 4. These are the limits. X o x dash, y o y dash. Here x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 3, 4. This is x equal to 1 and x is equal to 4. Right? Or we got this value is between this only. So this area we should find. So integration 1 to 4, this is x minus 4 into x minus 1 dx. How to find this integration? Multiply x into x, x square, minus x minus 4x minus 5x plus 4 dx. Then find integration x cube by 3 minus 5x square by 2 plus 4x. Limits 1 to 4. Apply upper limit minus lower limit. Next, question number 26. The area between y square equal to 9x and the line y is equal to 3x. The area between the curve y square equal 9x and y is equal to 3x. Curve and line is given, so we should draw the first both. Okay, y square equal 9x is the parabola. Open this side. This is y square equal 9x, right? Y is equal to 3x is passing through origin. This is y is equal to 3x. Now area between these two, curve and line, we have to find. To find this, we need this point. Okay, this is the x-axis, y is equal to 0. So when we get this point, y is equal to something we'll get. Then we should find with respect of y-axis. With respect of y-axis, line occupied big area, curve occupied small area. So line minus curve. Okay, so we want this limit. Put y is equal to 3x, no, substitute here. X is equal to y by 3, substitute here. Y square equal to 9 into x is equal to y by 3. Is get cancelled. So y square equal to 3y. Therefore y into y minus 3 equal to 0. Y is equal to 0 and y is equal to 3. Y is equal to 3. This is y is equal to 0. Right? In this interval, lower limit is 0, upper limit is 3. This is occupied big area. What is this line? 3x. No, in terms of x here, x dy here, x dy, first line minus curve, line minus curve. So integration of 0 to 3, line x is equal to y by 3 minus curve x is equal to y square by 9 dy. Understood? Y integration y square by 2, y cube by 27, limits 0 to 3. Apply upper limit, 3 square 9 by 6 minus 27 by 27, it's a 1. Lower limit is 0. Simplify, 9 minus 6, 3 by 6, which is equal to 1 by 2. Next one, 27. The area bounded by the curve xy equal to 4, x-axis between the coordinates x equal to and x equal to 4. Area between bounded lines given here. This is x is equal to 2. Let this is x equal to 4. X-axis, this is the y-axis here. Xy is equal to 4 means y is equal to 4 by x. So here 4 by x curve is like this. So integration area limits 2 to 4, 4 by x dx. 4 integration of 1 by x dx is log x. Limits 2 to 4, 4 into log 4 minus log 2. 4 into log of m by n, 4 by 2. So 4 into log 2. This is the answer. 28, the area of the circle. 29 also, area of the region. We want standard formula, it is area bounded by the curve x is equal to a cos theta, y is equal to a sin theta. This is a parametric form. By eliminating theta, x square plus y square equal to a square will get. So there is circle, area of circle is pi a square. 31 you can try it. 32 also. 33. Next, now I am going discussing example problems. Exemplar problems. Right. First question is the area enclosed by the circle x square plus y square equal to 2 is equal to option A 4 pi, option B 2 root 2 pi, option C 4 pi square, option D 2 pi. What is the area of circle is in the form of x square plus y square equal to a square. Area of circle, radius here a square equal to 2. Area of circle is formula pi a square. Pi a square is 2. So the answer is 2 pi, which is very easy. It is asked in CET also. Second question, the area of ellipse. Area of ellipse, most important questions. These are area of ellipse x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1 is pi ab. Next, third question is area of the region bounded by the curve y is equal to x square and the line y is equal to 16. Y is equal to x square is parabola is open upward, x square equal to 4ay. Y is equal to 16 is parallel to x axis, this is 16, and its y is equal to 0. So this area we should find. To find this area, this and this both are same. Okay, it is bounded by y limits integration of 0 to y x dy. Small steps, if you take horizontal steps here, this is the this is y, this is small dy dx. No, this side, this is the x, this is dy small, this is I am taking here. Y is equal to 0 and y this one. If I take this one, you take this limit. By that also we will get same answer. So integration, because already given, no, we got already limits y equal to 16 and y equal to 0. That's why I am doing this way. Horizontal steps. Horizontal step is x dy. X is equal to, first of all, curve x is equal to root y into dy. Limits y is equal to 0 to 16. Finish. Root y integration y power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2. 2 by 3. Limits 0 to 16. 2 by 3, 16 means 4 square means 4 cube. Lower limit is 0. 2 by 3 into 4 cube means 64. Simplify. 128 by 3 answer. Next one is the area of the region bounded by y axis and y is equal to cos x and y is equal to sin x. 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to pi by 2 is very important question. This in 0 to pi by 2 only we should draw the diagram. This is 0, it's a pi by 4 and this is pi by 2. In between, first draw the sin x graph. Sin 0 is 0, sin pi by 4 1 by root 2, sin pi by 2 is 1. Cos 0 is 1 here. Cos pi by 4 is 1 by root 2, cos pi by 2 is 0. So area between two curves, okay, area between two curves with by the y axis. By the y axis means this part. Understood? Not with x axis means this is. So this area, how to get this area? We should draw one more line here. This is. So this area, this is occupied big area, this is occupied small area. So integration of 0 to pi by 4, which one occupied big? What is this? Cos occupied this much area. This is sin x occupied small area minus sin x dx. Cos x integration sin x integration minus cos x plus cos x. Limits 0 to pi by 4. Right? Sin pi by 4 1 by root 2, cos pi by 4 1 by root 2. Lower limit sin 0 is 0, cos 0 1. 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2, 2 by root 2. 2 by root 2 means root 2 minus 1. This is the answer. Root 2 minus 1 is the third option is right. Most important these questions, example problems are very important. Next question is the area of the region bounded by the curve x square equal to 4y and the line x is equal to 4y minus 2 and the line x is equal to 4y minus 2. X square equal to 4y is the parabola, open upward. This is not passing through origin, so to draw the line we need 2 points. So first of all we should find the point of intersection. X is equal to 4y minus 2 here, substitute here, or y is equal to x square by 4, x equal to 4 into x square by 4 minus 2, get cancel here, y is equal to x square by 4. Okay, x square minus x minus 2 equal to 0. Tell me the factorization here. X plus 1 and minus 2. Here minus 2. Select two numbers. Multiplying with those numbers will get minus 2 here, minus 1. Tell me here minus 2 plus 1. Yes. X minus 2 into x plus 1 equal to 0. X is equal to 2 and x is equal to minus 1. X is equal to is here 1, 2. Here minus 1 this is. Okay, if it is minus 1 x y is equal to how much is 1 by 4. So this point, if it is 2 root 8, this is join these 2 points. So this area we should find. Understood? To find this area, this is x is equal to minus 1 and this is x is equal to 2. So integration of minus 1 to 2, this line occupied big area, curve occupied small area. So minus 1 to 2 line is 4y minus 2, y is equal to y dx, horizontal vertical steps, y is equal to x plus 2 by 4, x plus 2 by 4, here y is equal to x square by 4 dx, finish. 1 by 4 x plus 2 integration x square by 2 plus 2x minus x cube by 3, limits minus 1 to 2, apply upper limit minus lower limit, we will get the answer. Next one, the area of the region bounded by the curve y is equal to root of 16 minus x square with x axis. Option 1 8 square unit, option 2 20 pi, option 3 16 pi, option 4 256 pi. Yes, with x axis. So very easy. Direct square on both sides, y square equal to 16 minus x square, therefore x square plus y square equal to 16. It represents circle. Okay, this is the circle. If it is circle, half of this circle is y is equal to root of 16 minus x square. This is the y is equal to minus root of 16 minus x square. So semicircle this is. This is the whole circle. What is the area of the circle is pi a square. A square means 16 pi. Semicircle means half of that, get cancel, 8 pi answer is 8 pi. Area of the region in the first quadrant enclosed by the x-axis and the line y is equal to x. Line y is equal to x and the circle x square plus y square equal to 32. X square plus y square equal to 32 is. First draw the circle here. X square plus y square equal to 32 is the circle. Center of the circle is 0, 0. Radius this is root 32. Root 32 means radius r is equal to 16 into 2. So 4 root 2 this is 4 root 2. Radius is 4 root 2, 0. Right. The line is y is equal to x is this is. Y is equal to x. Okay. Now we should find, if it is y is equal to x, what is the point of intersection of this? Then we come to know that. It's a triangle here. This point how to get? By substituting here. Put y is equal to x here. X here, y is equal to x. X square, 2x square. 2x square equal to 32. X square equal to 16. X is equal to plus or minus 4. Here x is equal to 4 here. And next minus 4. So 4 comma something will get. So we got this point here. This area, okay, triangle it is. Or integration, this is 0, x is equal to 0 to 4 also you can find. Next this is, next limit this is 4 root 2, x is equal to 4 root 2. So tell me this is direct we can find. At what point it is intersecting x equal to 4 here, this is 4, this is length here. How much this upper value is? Y is equal to, if x is 4, y is also 4. So what is the area of this triangle is half into base into 8, 4 into 4. Plus this get cancelled, this part is 8 units plus this area we should find. Integration of lower limit is 4, upper limit is 4 root 2 and y dx, circle y means root of 32 minus x square root of dx. So this integration how to find? A square minus x square, root of a square minus x square formula. A square minus x square formula equal to x by 2 root of a square minus x square plus a square by 2 sine inverse of x by a. This is by using this formula you can solve it. Okay, are you following? If this is for useful for JEE, not for CET, this problem is.